Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll talk about how to use the Nusuk app and then also how to make the Rawdah appointment. So you want to download the Nusuk app from the App Store if you have iPhone, or for Android, again, you want to download it from the Play Store. Here you'll see when you open the app, this is the new app that they have updated. You have the Saudi Arabian citizen or resident, Gulf Cooperation Council citizen, or the international visitor. So again, depending on where you're from, most likely if you are not from the first two options, international visitor will apply. Next is you're going to select your nationality, do that as per your passport, and then you would enter your passport number. Next is will ask you to enter your visa number. So open your visa, get the info from there. You're creating an account, select your date of birth. Do you require special assistance? Select as appropriate. Create account, you'll enter your password. You understand that the service is for Muslims. You have read and accepted the terms and conditions. Click continue. Now you'll enter the mobile number. Again, you want to use a number that is you will have access to while you are in Saudi Arabia. So if you're already in Saudi Arabia and you're setting it up, you can use your local number if you have that, or if you plan to use your own phone, just use that. If you can also use your Google Voice number. I have seen that work as well. You enter your email that you wanted the OTP to come to every time. So as you're in now, you'll show you your card, Nusuk card. If you hold it, it will show your card code as well. So now, as you see on the bottom, there is different options here. So for example, there is the Umrah book permit options. Before Hajj, they were asking for this for the Umrah permit, but in general, during Hajj, they don't ask for Umrah permits. But again, depending on the time of the year you're going, if at that point they have started asking for Umrah permit, you use that. In general, during Hajj, they don't look for it. But let's say I'm looking for a Rawdah permit. I'll click on book Rawdah appointment. It'll say apply for the Noble Rawdah. It has my name in there. Click continue. And then you can try to look up the booking. Now, as you can see, uh, it will only so as you can see, it will only a few days at a time. I can't, for example, book anything from the 9th onwards. Right now it's only showing me next week. So let's say I try to look up, if there's anything for the 5th. I can give you an option. It gives you an option to select preferred time. Would you like to go in the morning or the evening? Let's say I click evening. It'll show me different slots for evening. If I click morning, it will give me those options as well. Again, if you can change the date and explore the different options that are available. And then once you like a slot, you book it. Now, one thing to be careful about here is that once you have a reservation, right, you want to try and use this reservation. They only allow you to do one reservation, and once you have used that reservation, it won't allow you to make another other appointment for the next 365 days. So be careful. Don't miss your time slot that you have made reservation for. And once you select an appointment, it will give you these instructions. If you look at it, you need to arrive 15 minutes early. You only will be able to go for 10 minutes. You need to confirm the appointment, and the QR code that they will generate can only be used once. So you want to confirm your presence within 30 minutes and be on time. Don't miss your appointment. In case you are not able to attend, you should cancel your appointment. You will be able to use it again. You can then book it. If you do not cancel and your permit expires, then you will not be able to book again for a year as per these instructions. So be careful about the time slot that you pick and make sure you're there on time. So now if I go to my permits, this is what I see. I have the Noble Rawdah appointment. I can click on this, and here it says my entry QR code will appear 2 hours before the permit start time. Yeah, make sure to have this available. There will be a QR code that will show up that they will check before letting you in. So hopefully this was helpful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.